Real or new leash. So who are you then? Hmm? Doesn't matter really. Victor's been very forthcoming with his designs, but I still need it for now.